Geological hazards. Ay, volcanic eruptions caused by magma rising from beneath the Earth's crust. The Philippines has 24 active volcanoes: Mayon, Taal, Pinatubo, Canlaon. Hazards: lava flows, ashfall, pyroclastic flows, lahar, volcanic gases. Example, 1991 Mount Pinatubo eruption cooled global temperature by approximately zero point 0.5 degrees centigrade. Letter B. Earthquakes, sudden shaking of the ground due to movement along faults or volcanic activity. The Philippine Fault Zone runs across Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Hazards: ground shaking, surface rupture, liquefaction, landslides. Letter C. Tsunamis, giant ocean waves triggered by underwater earthquake or volcanic eruptions. Example, 1976 Moro Gulf tsunami killed over 3,000 people in Mindanao. Hazard: sudden flooding of coastal communities, loss of life and property. Hydrometeorological hazards. Typhoons. The Philippines experiences around 20 cyclones annually. About 5 to 7 are destructive. Example, Typhoon Yolanda, Haiyan in 2013, caused storm surges up to 7 meters. Hazards: strong winds, heavy rains, storm surges, widespread flooding. Floods: overflow of water onto normally dry land. Types: flash floods, sudden, riverine floods, gradual, urban flooding, poor drainage. Example, Typhoon Ondoy in the year 2009 submerged parts of Metro Manila. Landslides, downward movement of rock, soil and debris due to gravity. Triggered by heavy rainfall, earthquakes, deforestation, or poor land use. Example, 2006 Ginsaogon Leyte landslide buried an entire village. Slowly acting processes. Soil erosion. This is a gradual removal of topsoil by water. Soil erosion. Gradual removal of topsoil by water, wind, or human activity. This is common in deforested upland areas. Effects: reduce soil fertility, siltation of rivers, loss of agricultural productivity. Saltwater intrusion. Seawater enters freshwater aquifers, usually due to overpumping of groundwater. This is common in coastal areas of Bulacan, Cavite, and Cebu. Effects: loss of potable water, reduced crop productivity. Causes of vulnerability in the Philippines. Geological location: along the Ring of Fire, you have earthquakes and volcanoes. Geographical location: Western Pacific Ocean. Either you have typhoons and floods. Topography: mountainous terrain, landslides. Human factors: deforestation, urbanization, poor land use planning. Preparedness and mitigation measures. Letter A. Volcanic eruptions. Early warning systems. Pillbox. Evacuation plans. Exclusion zones. Earthquakes and tsunamis. Earthquake drills. Tsunami warning system. Strict building codes. Typhoons and floods. Pag-asa forecasts. Flood control projects. Relocation of vulnerable communities. Landslides. Reforestation. Slope stabilization. And hazard mapping. Soil erosion. Terracing, tree planting, sustainable farming practices. In saltwater intrusions, controlled groundwater pumping, use of alternative water sources, artificial recharge of aquifers. Geological and hydrometeorological hazards, along with slowly acting processes, pose serious challenges to the Philippines. While these natural phenomena cannot be prevented, their impacts can be reduced through science-based understanding, community preparedness, sustainable land use, and responsible resource management. Key takeaways: sudden hazards, volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, tsunamis, typhoons, floods, landslide. The slowly acting processes are soil erosion, salt water intrusion. Why the Philippines? It is because it is located in the Ring of Fire and Typhoon Belt. Key solution: preparedness, adaptation, and sustainable practices. Practice problems for our Quarter 4 Earth and Space Science Lesson 6, Geological and Hydrometeorological hazards, understanding natural disasters, and slowly acting Earth processes. Number 1. Explain what a geological hazard is and provide 2 examples. Given. Geological hazards affect Earth's surface. Required. Definition plus 2 examples. Solution. Geological hazards are natural processes or events caused by the Earth's internal forces that can endanger lives and properties. Examples include earthquake and volcanic eruptions. Final answer. A geological hazard is a natural event caused by Earth's internal processes that can harm humans. Examples: earthquakes, volcanic eruptions. Number 2. Describe how earthquakes occur and what effects they can have on communities. Given. Sudden shaking of the ground. Required. How they occur plus effects. Solution. Earthquakes occur due to the movement of tectonic plates along faults. Effects include damaged buildings, landslides, injuries, and fatalities. Final answer. Earthquakes are caused by tectonic plate movements. They can destroy buildings, roads, and cause loss of life. Explain the process of a volcanic eruption and identify at least 2 hazards it can cause. Given. Magma rises to the surface. Required. Process plus 2 hazards. Solution. Magma escapes from a volcano, releasing lava, ash, and gases. Hazards include lava flows, destroying property, and ashfall, causing respiratory problems. Final answer. Volcanic eruptions occur when magma reaches the surface. Hazards: lava flows and ashfall. Number 4. Describe how tsunamis are formed and why they are dangerous to coastal communities. Given. Large ocean waves. Required. Formation plus the dangers. Solution. Tsunamis form from undersea earthquakes or volcanic eruptions displacing water. They can flood coastal areas, destroy homes, and cause fatalities. Final answer. Tsunamis are caused by underwater earthquakes or eruptions. They are dangerous due to flooding and destruction in coastal communities. We will have the next part of this quarter 4 Earth and Space Science, Lesson 6.